EARS. So I'm finally using the TradingView replay feature tool to just get a glimpse of the move. Even though I can see the move because it's been in the past, I still want to replay it. So here in this short video, I'm replaying the EARS move. It was a classical pump and dump. I first watched the video of Mafia Trading, how he made some really good cash on it. And here I'm replaying it. So it was a great pump and dump. So I know this is kind of like, in the hindsight, this trade looks pretty simple and kind of like obvious, right? So I put this short position here. So this is the first big 1 minute candle. It's popping up. And then here, this is a good time to short it. Okay, probably here on the second one, yeah. Probably here on the second one, we can short it. Yeah, on the second big red candle down, we can probably short it. So on a $1,000 account, I'm risking 10%, and I can potentially make, well, let's see, I can potentially make $157. Yep. So this is what the move looked like. Boom, 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 boom. It's going down. Again, this is better than just looking at the old chart, right? At least I can see how the price action unfolded. I can see what it looked like. Okay, let's speed up. Let's speed it up. Yep. Yep, perfect. And this was Friday. Pretty big classical pump and dump. Okay, this is it.